So if I point to this, and later on I can add audio. Man, is that ever slow.
Point to what?
This, because this part goes back and forth with the agitator. And this part, it's a mirror image, it's weird. And this part goes back and forth, or spins with the motor. So this spins this ring gear. That ring gear spins this cone here, that's in here. This is all one big cone. You gotta hold it straight over top like that. Oh, that's beauteous. Spins that. So this piece that goes back and forth is the back and forth motion of the agitator. Okay. All right.